Okay, sound effects box in a um, oak, antique oak box with metal rivets, brass inlay things. This utilizes the JQ6500 audio chip, which can be programmed in a computer via a USB mini connection, and it has 5 different audio outputs which will produce sound, which will produce whatever sound you load on this. So this can be stuff you've recorded from the web or on the internet, and it works as follows. So pressing each one of these
Well, I'm not a crook.
will produce a different sound effect.
One, two, three, four. Well, I'm not a crook.
Okay, extremely easy to upload new sounds to it. That's about it. Bye.